What up, good people? Today is 2-Minute Tips Tuesday. Let's get into this video. We're going to talk about being prepared for the springtime. Man, so the first thing up that you need to start doing is checking your wiper blades, inspecting and see if they're a little bit messed up, and check your filters in your vehicle because, you know, during the winter time, you could have been and your wiper blades is probably messed up. And you know the pollen's starting to come down a little thick, and you don't want to have your cabin filters or your engine filter dirty, and you want to be able to prevent all the allergies in your car. You like sneezing, you be like, God darn it, hold on, why I'm sneezing like that? Yeah, swap out your filters in your vehicle. The next one is rotate your tires alongside getting alignment and checking your suspension. Yes. During the winter time, you could have been going through some rough stuff, you know what I'm saying? As in, the roads was icy, you know, you could have went across a pothole, or the road's just icy and could have messed up your vehicle. I don't know. Rotate your tires, check and see if you need alignment, and check your suspension in your vehicle because, you know, the spring is upon us, and you know, you want to ride around getting it. Check your oil and your washer fluid because, you know, during the winter time, you may have that de-icer in there, and you like, yo, hold on, I want some better fluid. And I talked about that in another video, so I'll leave the link in the description below. And you can check your oil, or go ahead and get your oil change because, you know, it may be time for that oil change. You should check your tire pressure because the springtime, yes, drop your PSI back down to 35 PSI. I know your boy RD tell you all the time, hey, during the winter time, go ahead and pump the PSI up to 40 because you can keep that fluctuation a little bit better than having it at 35. So go ahead and drop your PSI back down to 35 because you're gonna get a better ride, and the fluctuation ain't gonna happen that much. And consider swapping out tires. If you got bald tires, made pops, or winter tires, yeah, go ahead and consider swapping them tires out. Get some all season or some summer tires. Yeah, so you can ride around getting it and take them trips during the summertime or spring break, you know. Bonus, you should take advantage of the spring offers on routine maintenance, as in like brakes, tires, alignments. If they got offers, go ahead, go to your local dealership or your local shop and see, yo, the springtime coming, and tell them your boy RD sent you. But if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of RD family, go ahead and subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.